April 2026 is shaping up to be a very busy month for DJI, with at least 3 product drops getting the strongest confirmation: Osmo Pocket 4P, Lido X1, and Mic Mini 2. The 4P is an advanced answer for Insta360 Luna, which is also coming in. There's also strong rumors going around about DJI Osmo 362, with its FCC certification confirmed. With recently released Osmo Pocket 4 and confirmed release date from DJI, it's an exciting time for creators. Let's talk about their release dates and confirmed rumored specs. And today's video is sponsored by no one. If you want to book this spot, just mail us. Right after Osmo Pocket 4's announcement, DJI began to flood their Chinese social media accounts with this dual-lens Osmo Pocket 4 image, confirming its very existence. The buzz around the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P centers on a massive hardware shift, a dual-lens setup. While the standard 4 has one lens, the Pro is rumored to pair a 1-inch main CMOS sensor with a secondary telephoto lens, enabling 3 times or 4 times optical zoom. This is a game changer because it allows for actual optical compression and better portraits without the digital blur. The main sensor itself is a beast, rumored to hit 14+ stops of dynamic range and a true 10-bit D-Log profile, which is a significant step up in color grading over the Pocket 3. We are also looking at 4K recording at a staggering 240 frames per second for elite slow motion. To handle those massive files, the Pro likely packs 256 gigabytes of internal storage alongside the micro SD slot. Because of the extra lens and better cooling for those high frame rates, the body is expected to be slightly larger with a bigger battery and dedicated physical zoom buttons. It's essentially a pocket-sized cinema rig meant to bridge the gap between vlogging and professional filmmaking. The DJI Lido X1 stands out as one of the most anticipated drone releases left in April 2026, with its official launch date set for April 23rd at 12 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. DJI confirmed this through a teaser video using the slogan, "Just Fly," which highlights the drone's simple, user-friendly design. This model is part of the new Lido series, but the X1 is the higher-end version aimed at creators who want more performance without jumping to full pro drones. What makes the Lido X1 appealing is its focus on staying under 250 grams, which means fewer rules for users in many places. Rumors point to about 42 gigabytes of internal storage, around 30 minutes of flight time on the standard battery, and possibly stronger transmission tech for clearer video feeds. At a rumored price near $759, it positions itself as a step up from basic models like the Mini 4K, offering better camera quality and features for hobbyists and light pros. This drone also feels like a direct refresh for DJI's compact lineup. The X1's FCC filings and leaks have been building since late 2025, and the April 23rd date gives it a clear spotlight. For anyone into aerial shots, the Lido X1 could make high-quality drone footage easier to get without heavy gear. DJI's Mic Mini 2 comes on April 28th at 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, teased with the tagline, "More than sound," and a colorful butterfly graphic made of sound waves. This strongly points to a new DJI mic model, most likely the Mic Mini 2 or Mic Mini 2S, building on the compact transmitter design from earlier versions. The teaser shows a small square shape similar to past mics, but with fresh color options that DJI has not pushed before. The timing makes sense after the Pocket 4's creator bundles included mics, suggesting DJI wants a matching audio refresh. Expect upgrades like better connectivity, smaller size for portability, and maybe app improvements for noise reduction or multi-device pairing. This would appeal to vloggers and podcasters who need clean sound on the go, especially paired with DJI cameras. At its core, this mic release is about lifestyle appeal. The colors and more than sound hint at something beyond basic recording, perhaps with fun features like visual feedback or easy sharing. Coming right after the Lido X1, it rounds out April's creator focus perfectly. Osmo 362 looks like a certification-led rumor, not a fully confirmed DJI launch at this point. The current reporting suggests a Q2 2026 launch window, with a slightly larger 2,150 mAh battery and familiar wireless hardware. But no major imaging leap has been firmly established, though its exact date is less pinned down than the others. FCC filings confirmed in late 2025 show a production-ready unit with a bumped-up 2,150 mAh battery for about 10% more runtime than the original Osmo 360. This suggests a solid refresh for 360-degree video capture, aimed at users who want immersive content without big setups. Rumors frame it as a light update rather than a full overhaul, keeping familiar wireless features but adding battery life for longer shoots. The Space 2 name ties into DJI's action cam world, making it great for travel, sports, or VR-style videos. With certifications cleared for US sales, it could drop soon after April's other launches, fitting DJI's quick refresh cycle. This camera shines for creators exploring 360 content. Paired with the Lido X1's aerial views, or the new mic's audio, it completes a toolkit for dynamic storytelling. Leaks show no major sensor jumps yet, but the battery gain alone makes it practical for real-world use. What makes this DJI Wave interesting is the way it covers almost every type of creator gear in one go. The Pocket 4 Pro would target handheld video shooters, the Lido X1 would aim at drone users, Mic Mini would serve creators who need better sound, and Osmo 362 would speak to people who want immersive footage. That gives DJI a very broad lineup, from pocket-sized filming to audio and aerial content. And it also explains why the leaks are getting so much attention. A big wave of new releases in a single month signals that the brand is aggressively reinforcing its position as a full-stack imaging and content creation platform, not just a gadget maker. By rolling out cameras, stabilized handheld systems, and audio hardware together, it tightens an ecosystem where devices and software work in tandem, making it easier for users to stay inside the brand's ecosystem rather than juggling third-party gear. For creators, this means faster access to higher-end specs, better sensors, smarter stabilization, and richer audio, without needing to buy from multiple brands, which lowers friction and raises the stickiness of the platform. For the company itself, it helps hedge against volatility in any one category, because a strong month in one segment can pull in users who then buy into its wider range of complementary tools over time.